Welcome to Garden Bloom, your go-to space for all things flower gardening. If you've ever stepped into a garden center and felt both excited and overwhelmed, you're not alone. With endless rows of vibrant plants, buzzing bees, and an array of tools and supplies, choosing the right plants for your garden can feel like a challenge. But today, I'm here to share some insider secrets from garden center experts to make your shopping trips more enjoyable and successful. Did you know that shopping on weekdays can make a huge difference? Weekends can be chaotic, but visiting during the week means fewer crowds, more time with expert staff, and even fresher plant deliveries. Pay close attention to plant placement. The way plants are displayed in a nursery is no accident. Shade-loving plants are usually placed under coverings, while sun-loving ones are out in the open. Observing these cues will help you choose the right plants for your garden's light conditions. Always read the tag. It's a goldmine of information about the plant's light needs, size, and care requirements. And don't be afraid to inspect the roots. Healthy roots mean a thriving plant. Want to save money? Buy soil and mulch in bulk. It's often cheaper than buying bags, reduces plastic waste, and means fewer trips back to the store. Don't hesitate to ask the staff for advice. They aren't just trying to sell you products. They genuinely want to help your plants thrive. They can suggest the right compost, fertilizer, or soil amendments for your local conditions. Another expert tip? Go native! Native plants are low maintenance, resistant to pests, and great for local wildlife. They're a win-win for you and the environment. Need help with garden design? Bring a simple sketch of your space with dimensions, sun exposure, and key landmarks. Garden center staff can help you select plants that work best for your space and aesthetic. When it comes to planting, 3 is better than 1. Odd-numbered groupings create balance and natural beauty in your garden. Try planting in drifts of 3 or 5 for the best effect. Want a long-term savings? Choose perennials over annuals. They return year after year, saving you both time and money while creating a more sustainable landscape. And here's a final pro tip. Buy plants with buds, not blooms. Budded plants will bloom longer in your garden, giving you extended color and beauty throughout the season. With these expert tips, your next visit to the garden center will be a breeze. Want more flower gardening advice? Subscribe to Garden Bloom and turn your gardening dreams into reality. See you in the next video.